Welcome to the video of Novanis DocPromptu. I'm Danny Shao from Novanis. This series of videos will help you to get familiar with DocPromptu. This is the first video. What you will learn in this video. This video will focus on three questions. First, what is DocPromptu? Second, what is SharePoint? The last one, why we need DocPromptu? What features DocPromptu can provide us? So let's go to the first question. What is DocPromptu? DocPromptu is a document imaging system based on SharePoint. So DocPromptu deals with document images. These images can be acquired from scanners or from local file system. DocPromptu is based on SharePoint, compatible with SharePoint 27 and SharePoint 2010. DocPromptu is based on client-server structure, consists of two parts, DocPromptu server and DocPromptu client. Let's take a close look at the DocPromptu structure. From the topological graph, we can tell DocPromptu server should be deployed in SharePoint server. They communicate through object model. DocPromptu client communicates with DocPromptu server through Internet or intranet using WCF service. There are 10 modules in DocPromptu client, 7 core modules and 3 additional modules. So let's take a close look at the 10 modules. The 10 modules can be logically grouped into 3 groups: administrator, data entry, add-ons, index template, SharePoint list, OCR template. These 3 modules are used for creating data structures such as templates and user data. A little SharePoint knowledge will be required. We will cover that knowledge in this video. There are 4 modules in data entry: scan documents, index documents, upload, update. Index documents means input metadata for documents. These 4 modules are for end users. There are also 3 additional modules: TIFF converter, archive, report. Let's go to the next question. What's SharePoint? As SharePoint is too broad and deep, we only take a quick look here. SharePoint is a web application platform developed by Microsoft. SharePoint platform integrates directly into Internet information services. Using SharePoint, people can set up websites to share information with others, manage documents, and publish reports to help everyone make better decisions. So here we are talking about SharePoint 2010. SharePoint 2010 contains 6 major capabilities: sites, communities, content, search, insights, composites. Among the 6 capabilities, only sites, content, and search are partially involved in DocPromptu. You don't have to dig into all of these capability areas, but for a better understanding of DocPromptu, you have to be clear about the SharePoint hierarchy. From this diagram, we can see server farm contains Web applications. Web application contains site collections. Site collection contains sites. Site contains lists and libraries. For a better understanding, let's take a close look at the hierarchy of site collection. This site collection contains top-level website and subsites. Subsites contain subsite. Subsites contain lists and libraries. List contains fields. This is one list item. Remember, this subsite is equal to this sites. This table shows SharePoint hierarchy in DocPromptu. SharePoint 80 represents web application. This represents site collection. Novanis represents top-level site. Sales represents subsite. And there are many document libraries under top-level site and subsite. This picture shows what list and library look like. The top one is a document library. The bottom one is a list. We can see the metadata is stored in fields, and in document library, the fields are all attached to document. So till now we have finished the first two questions. What is DocPromptu and what is SharePoint? We also introduced SharePoint hierarchy. SharePoint hierarchy will help you understand DocPromptu much better. Let's go to the last question. Why DocPromptu? What features DocPromptu can provide us? To answer that question, first we need to know what SharePoint cannot do. SharePoint doesn't support web scan. SharePoint has no OCR and OCR index. If there is no Office installed at client side, there will be no multiple documents upload. Web browser is not suitable for dealing with large numbers of documents, images. Then what DocPromptu can do? DocPromptu can scan images from scanners and make image processing. DocPromptu can make OCR index, including automatic OCR index and manual OCR index. DocPromptu can even scan and index simultaneously. DocPromptu can handle large numbers of documents easily. DocPromptu is very simple and practical and easy to use.